Let's cook dried curry chicken today. Curry gravy is delicious with melted potato. Curry chicken is made with chicken, potatoes, a dish, made with curry powder and onions as the main ingredients. It has a taste that is mainly salty, slightly spicy, and has a strong curry flavor, rich in protein, vitamins, and nutritional balance. Curry is the Tamil language of India, which means many spices mixed together and cooked. What could be more comforting than curry? Liang Kwakamai's original curry chicken has a unique and sensory provocative aroma that perfectly blends the flavors of various spices. Don't forget to follow my channel and save the recipe, so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Let's start cooking. Lemongrass, potato, onion. Cut off the head and tail of the lemongrass and remove the first layer of outer layer. Cut in half and flatten with the back of a knife to release the flavor. Sliced onion. Cubes potatoes. Pour potatoes cubes into bowl and mix with cooking oil. Air fried at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Potatoes is half cooked now. We'll cook again with curry chicken. Marinate chicken overnight with salt and curry powder. Heat oil. Stir fry lemongrass and onion. Add chicken and stir fry until fragrant. Two tablespoons curry paste. Pour 1 bowl water. Season with 1 teaspoon salt to taste. Coconut milk. Pour potatoes cubes. Bring to a boil, then simmer over low heat for 30 minutes. Remember to stir fry from time to time to avoid burning the bottom. Plate it. Dried curry chicken is done. Wow, smells so good. Dried curry chicken goes well with rice. It's so yummy. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient. Come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.